Ready to add a little sweetness to your health kick? Let's talk pears and why you need more of them. First off, pears are packed with fiber. That's great news for your digestion. Number 2, they're low in calories but high in nutrients. Hello, vitamins. Third, pears can help with weight management. Snack smart people. Number 4, they're full of antioxidants. Think of them as tiny, delicious shields for your cells. And finally, pears are heart-friendly. Potassium in pears helps keep your ticker in tip-top shape. Now, how about some pear juice recipes? For a refreshing start, try pear plus ginger zing. Blend 2 pears, a thumb of ginger, and a splash of lemon juice. Zesty and energizing? Or go for pear plus mint cooler. Blend 2 pears, a handful of fresh mint, and a cup of cold water. Super refreshing and hydrating. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a pear and get juicing. Your body will thank you.